5/18/21. Here we have the 4 hourly chart in the cash Nasdaq 100 futures. So Nasdaq 100 futures started with this downtrend. Okay, we hit a bottom. Today we have shot from this line to right here. Now, with the horizontal trend line, we can see what happened yesterday. They torpedoed. Now, with the volatility coming back up and testing this resistance, the futures are up 72 points at the moment, with Home Depot leading the way, Walmart earnings, and then some other news that's been hitting the headlines, upgrades, downgrades, you name it. One thing that we have discovered very clearly, though, that every time we get these moves up toward resistance, they seem to sell off. And that means that the bigger people, fund managers, continue to sell into these moves in tech stocks and other stocks. That's one of the things that we have seen. Once the rally gets started, as we've covered in depth, is there is no bull power. You heard me. Bull power to take it out. So these futures at one point were up at the high this morning in this NQ at 1432. Yes, they were. They're still up 72, but they were up over 100 points as they were. Now, when we take a look at the same 4 hourly chart trend, we go straight down yesterday in the S&P after we had the Thursday and Friday gap rally, the whole thing, the whole enchilada. Now in the S&P, we have come back up. We're up 8.25 in the S&P futures right now to start the pre-market outlet. There's lots of trading ideas that we have set up for people. Here is the same type of deal that we take a look at how the Dow, which has outperformed the Nasdaq Composite and Nasdaq 100, it's been the strongest driver. Those futures are gapping up 65 points. We wish you a very good day, but get right back to using good old-fashioned resistance, volume, and price action. So, I recommend that today, even with this gap and even with seasonality, the Memorial Day rally, as we always get, is this rally has yet to materialize. When we take a look once again briefly at the Nasdaq composites and whatnot and the Nasdaq 100, we can clearly see, yeah, we're above there, but we're going to have that 50-day moving average right up here. And let's just call it 13,412, even though we're going to find out what will happen at that point. This is the gap from the Friday. This is yesterday, Monday, and then we're going to start this new day out with, once again, a gap. Now, we didn't have any follow-through yesterday on that. And on the Nasdaq comp, he held the previous day's half bar as we see it. And once again, they're still in oversold conditions and whatnot. So each one of these rallies in the month of May, basically outside of this gap, Friday gap into the 100-day moving average, which is going to be resistance. The 50 days right up there. And that will be a real wall of resistance when we get there. Okay. So on the gap open up sequence is that they're selling into the gap. Sign up for that free 5-day trial. Just simply click on the link there when you're watching the video. Sign up. You want to get involved in the options market, then we're here. If you want to get involved with management behind the technicals and the longer term take, then we're here. Simply contact us. Enjoy your trading day. Hopefully it's off to a great start. Just remember, resistance, though, is still going to be the overhang. This is the bottom right here of the beginning on that Thursday, Friday, Monday, no follow through. We're going to look for the follow through. If we don't see it, then prices are going to go back down from the gap open. So, watch what you do. Sign up for the trial.